Integrated Korean. Beginning 1. Consonant. In the Korean alphabet, Hangul, there are 19 consonant letters, and 14 of them are basic single consonants. Consonant letters originally depicted the speech organs that produce consonant sounds: the lips, tooth, tongue, and throat. The shapes of these organs are associated with the 5 consonant letters. M is a lip sound, so its shape resembles lips. N is made by touching the tongue tip to the gum ridge, so its shape looks like the tongue touching the gum ridge. S is made by the tongue touching or staying right behind the teeth, so it resembles the bottom tooth. K is made by the back of the tongue touching the soft palate, and its shape resembles this position. When it's the final consonant, it's pronounced in the throat, so the circle shape represents the throat. The remaining 14 consonants are produced in the same general areas as the 5 places of articulation. Therefore, the letters representing the sounds related to the 5 sounds are derived by adding extra strokes to the basic letters. For example, K is a basic consonant letter, and when you add a stroke, it becomes K, which is an aspirated sound with a puff of air. When you double the consonant, it indicates a tense sound, so it sounds like G. Tense sounds are produced when the speech organs involved become tense for articulation. Lip sounds. M, B, P, B, M is a nasal sound and B is a plain stop sound. The aspirated B is P and the tense consonant is B. Gum ridge alveolar sound. N is pronounced with the tongue tip lightly touching the gum ridge. When the nasal cavity is closed, it becomes T. The aspirated T is T. When T is pronounced with extra muscle tension, it's T. When you pronounce R, the tongue is in the same area, but both sides of your tongue are raised, allowing air to pass through. Hissing sounds. Hard palate sounds. For the tooth sound S, when you pull your tongue to touch the hard palate, you get the plain T sound. The aspirated T is Ch. When T is pronounced with extra muscle tension, it's J. And the tense sound of S is S. Soft palate, velar, and throat sounds. Now, let's look at the back of the tongue sounds. K is the plain consonant. When you add a little puff of air, it becomes K. If you pronounce G with muscle tension, it's G. Finally, the nasal sound ng and the aspirated sound hu are pronounced in the throat. Now, please repeat the consonant sounds you hear. For pronunciation, I'll add the sound after each consonant. K, N, T, R, M, P, S, J, Ch, K, T, P, H, G, D, B, S, J.